Happy New Year everybody! It's been a great year for apps, especially for Android ecosystem. Today I'm sharing with you 5 must-have apps that you should start using in 2025. Starting the new year, we have TimeWise. Inspired by Spotify's Wrapped feature, this app deeply analyzes your device's usage over the past year to show some startling stats about you, such as the most used app, top 5 apps, times you've unlocked your device, and few other details. The cool thing about it is how it puts things into perspective, like comparing your screen time to the number of books you could have read, or movies you could have watched instead. TimeWise also offers tips to help you cut down on the screen time, and seeing the stats here, I think I should be following them. Oh, what's even better is that you can share all these stats with your friends and family. I would love to hear your most used app of the year, so do comment down. While some of the stats were not so surprising to me, I must admit it was super fun to look back at the past year through this lens. When you got a brand new Android device, you must have tried deleting those unwanted or pre-installed apps only to realize that the uninstall feature for some of them have been grayed out and there is no other way to remove them. Guess what? I have the perfect app to solve this. Here is Canta. It lets you uninstall system or other unwanted apps without root access. When you open the app, select the apps that you want to remove and then tap on the dustbin icon and it's gone. To make things easier, you can filter apps as per system apps, apps recommended to be removed, and if you're a tech-savvy person, use the advanced option. If you want to learn more about them, use the badge icon. Additionally, if you mistakenly delete or break a feature and would like to restore it, swipe left to see a list of apps that were removed. From here, select the checkbox next to the app that you want to restore and press the install icon below. Before you can start using this app, here's an important part to remember. You will need another app called Shizuku, which gives access for high-level privileges. If you're interested in learning more about how this process works, I've got a separate video demonstrating all the steps. Did you know there's an app that can bring all your favorite platforms like YouTube, Twitch, Dailymotion and more to one place? GrayJay is a video player and an aggregator that pulls content from multiple streaming platforms. When you open the app, you'll find that YouTube is the default plugin or source. If you wish to see other sources, you can do that as well. Or proceed with signing in to sync your subscriptions, playlist, and more. Alternatively, you can import your data from the available options. If privacy is a concern and you would rather not share your video habits, you can choose to skip this process and directly subscribe to the channels within the app. Talking about features, there are 2 types. The first one is related to the main app, such as the ability to sync your settings, subscriptions, etc. across all the devices where this app is installed. Then you can create subgroups for channels based on your interest. For example, I've organized my subscriptions as per different categories like PC hardware, consumer tech, and more. Also, you can keep a track on your watch time view counts for creators you follow, play videos in background and listen to a video when your device is logged, download videos in any resolution or as audio only. The other set of features are related to plugins. For example, the YouTube plugin has sponsor block feature, which helps to skip ads, and the option to view dislikes using a third-party tool. If you're a fan of apps like Revanced or NewPipe, I highly recommend trying this app too. If you have tried the Pixel launcher or the device, but now you're using a different brand, I'm sure at some point you must have wished to see the famous Pixel search bar on your device. Well, you're in luck. Let me introduce you to PixelSearch, a brilliant search tool that makes finding anything on your device really simple. Be it a PDF document, an image, a video, an app, a contact, or even web suggestions. This app will pop up the results instantly, saving you the hassle from opening each app to look up for anything. The UI is clean and easy to use. When you open the app or its widget for the first time, tap the three dots on the search bar, which takes you to its settings. Here, customize the app as per themes, icons, search preferences, number of results to display, and so much more. Once everything is set up, go back and type in your query in search bar. You will find suggestions from various apps, files on your device, and internet. Honestly, I would say it's even better than the native search experience that you get on Pixel devices. Many of us these days have subscriptions to Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, and whatnot. Keeping a track of all these subscriptions can get overwhelming. Thankfully, there's an app called Tilla that helps you keep a record of everything in one place. Firstly, you'll have to set up the app as per the currency of your region. Then, add the details for your subscriptions like plan cost, billing and expiry dates, how often it renews, and few other things. Once that's done, the app will calculate and show you your total monthly expense, which is a super helpful feature. And if the service you're using isn't on the list, no problem. You can add one manually. But that's not all. You can even set reminders for upcoming payments if you are renewing it manually. Now, there are some limitations for free users, like you can only track up to 5 subscriptions, and there's no option to backup or restore to your device nor the cloud. If you want to remove them, you can unlock with a small license fee. That's all for today. If you have any queries related to any of the apps shown here, do let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful.